Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with the December 17, 2020 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. Dubuque County's COVID-19 case totaled over 10,100, with 230 cases reported in the last 7 days, significantly lower than the 303 7-day total I gave you on Monday, December 14th. The age group with the biggest increase in cases over the 2 weeks is among the 0 to 17-year-olds, and the 80 years and older age group also increased. This elderly population increase is reflected in the 5 long-term care or nursing home facility outbreaks now happening in Dubuque County, and these cases account for 20 of the cases reported in the last 14 days. Even though our 14-day average positivity rate has declined to about 11.7%, we still must continue to wear masks, social distance, and practice all the public health measures we have hopefully formed into daily habits. Local and state hospitalizations continue to be stable, and statewide, those over 50 years of age are hospitalized more than the rest of the population with COVID-19. During a time when we continue to see record numbers of cases and deaths on a national level, the upper Midwest, including Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, have seen a declining trend from surges that occurred in October and November. And Iowa has received our first allotments of the 26,000 doses of Pfizer vaccine, and healthcare worker vaccination is underway at our hospitals in Dubuque County. The FDA is meeting today to determine EAU, or Emergency Use Authorization, on the Moderna vaccine, which Iowa will also begin receiving after approval. Although the vaccine approvals are a wonderful holiday gift, keep in mind that the first 2.9 million doses allocated around the country will cover 0.9% of the 331 million needed for the U.S. population. Yes, that's less than 1% of our population. And it will just begin to cover the 21 million healthcare workers and 3 million nursing home residents. And as Operation Warp Speed kicks into delivering these vaccines, we can expect delays and changes, as we're already experiencing here in Iowa, as this national system ramps up. This week, Governor Reynolds made some changes to Iowa's emergency proclamation by allowing bars and restaurants to resume their normal serving hours, and also at high school or other sporting or extracurricular events, members of the same household are allowed to attend, no longer limited to 2 spectators. Gatherings also do not have size limitations. But let's all be careful and not undo all the reduced community spread that's occurred over the past couple of weeks. As we head into the weekend, which will most likely include final holiday preparations, even though our celebrations will be much smaller this year, keep in mind that there's still risk of acquiring the COVID-19 virus when visiting retail stores, and restaurants and bars for that matter, even with our mask and social distancing requirements. So if you're going to be shopping locally, plan ahead for curbside or delivery as much as possible. If you do go into stores, have a list of items with a plan to visit specific areas of the store so you can be efficient and limit your indoor store time. And better yet, visit the business's website or call ahead to see if the store even has the stuff you're looking for. It's also helpful to go during off-peak hours. I mean, none of us are going to holiday parties or events, so that frees up more time during the day or evening to do in-person shopping if we absolutely have to. And as we continue to limit our social gatherings with others outside our households this weekend and over the holidays, here's a reminder on the current risk levels in Dubuque County. If you attend an event with 50 people, there's a 72% chance that at least one person there will have the virus. The odds for an event with 20 people are 40%. And with 10 people in attendance, the odds are 23% that at least one person will have the virus. Now, these risk factors go down if, in fact, everyone would wear a mask, social distance, or perhaps be outdoors during the gathering. But those things are really tough to stick with depending on how long the event lasts, whether there's food and drink served, and other activities at the event. Check out the website link listed below today's video link for estimating these risk levels for anywhere in the country and Dubuque County. So have a great weekend, everyone. Listen to some holiday music. Watch It's a Wonderful Life for the 100th time, and I still cry every single time I watch it. Bake some cookies, and most of all, keep up the good work in preventing the spread of this virus, because we're all in this together.